Billion Watts, Enervest Target Distributed Storage Growth. Billion Watts is expanding its role in Australia's distributed energy market through a joint development agreement with Enervest, covering a 50 megawatt, 200 megawatt portfolio of solar plus battery energy storage projects in New South Wales and Victoria. The portfolio is expected to include sites each below 5 megawatt, connected to local distribution networks. Rather than concentrating capacity in one large project, the strategy is built around smaller assets placed closer to where grid support may be needed. For Australia's national electricity market, that matters. As more renewable generation comes online, distribution networks are facing new pressure around demand swings, local reliability, and system flexibility. Smaller batteries are increasingly being viewed as practical tools for managing those challenges, not just add-ons to larger utility-scale projects. The partners are targeting development approvals and offers to connect by June 2027. Once operating, the assets are expected to participate in energy arbitrage and frequency control ancillary services, while also supporting more flexible local network operations. For Billion Watts, the agreement provides a route to scale in Australia without relying on a single large asset. The company will provide development capital and oversee asset strategy and system integration across the portfolio. Portfolio approach puts local grid value at the center. Enervest will lead project origination and development, using its local market experience across battery energy storage projects. The focus on sub-5 megawatt sites is central to the model, as smaller projects may face different development and connection pathways than larger grid-scale assets. This does not remove execution risk. Planning approvals, connection timelines, network conditions, and revenue volatility will all shape the portfolio's performance. Energy arbitrage and ancillary services can create value, but returns will depend on market conditions and how effectively the assets are operated. The broader signal is still clear. Distributed storage is becoming a more serious part of Australia's energy investment landscape. Developers are increasingly looking at smaller battery projects as repeatable portfolios that can spread risk across locations while supporting local grid needs. For Enervest, the partnership supports the expansion of its distribution-connected platform. For Billion Watts, it offers exposure to a mature energy market where battery storage is already playing a growing role in grid operations. The project reflects a shift in how storage is being financed and deployed. Utility-scale batteries will remain important, but smaller, strategically located assets are moving into the mainstream as investors look for flexible infrastructure that can respond to a more decentralized energy system.